Meaning of ink pad.
Ink pad.
Ink pad.
Ink pad.
Ink pad. An ink pad is a small, flat, rectangular piece of foam or felt that is soaked with ink and used to transfer ink to a rubber stamp. When pressed onto the ink pad, the rubber stamp picks up the ink, allowing it to be transferred to paper, fabric, or other surfaces. Ink pads are commonly used in arts and crafts projects, scrapbooking, and card making. They come in a variety of colors and types of ink, including water-based, oil-based, and archival quality. Ink pads are an essential tool for anyone who enjoys stamping.